Cancer in the Middle East, a scientific look. When we compare global cancer rates, the Middle East, also called West Asia, shows surprisingly low numbers. This is true even though many people there eat a lot of sugar and have high levels of obesity and diabetes. Scientists are very interested in this because it seems to break the usual rules. Global numbers. Around the world, about 198 people out of every 100,000 develop cancer each year. Middle East numbers. Saudi Arabia is about 96 per 100,000. Yemen is 97. Oman is 104. Qatar and the United Arab Emirates are both 107. Kuwait is 116. These are much lower than Australia at 468. Fasting and Ramadan. One major reason is fasting, especially during the month of Ramadan. People eat before sunrise and after sunset, so the body spends many hours with no food. This is similar to what doctors call intermittent fasting. Research shows fasting lowers insulin and blood sugar, which cancer cells need to grow. Cancer cells have many more insulin receptors than normal cells, so they love sugar. When you fast, you starve them. Fasting also triggers a process called autophagy, where the body cleans out damaged proteins and mitochondria. Damaged mitochondria are linked to cancer. Fasting strengthens the immune system too. It helps the body create more killer T cells that attack cancer and viruses. It also reduces inflammation and increases antioxidants, which protect cells from damage. Protective foods and spices.
Traditional Middle Eastern foods add another layer of protection. Turmeric, saffron, cardamom, nutmeg, caraway, cinnamon, and coriander all have natural anti-cancer compounds. People also use black seed, olive oil, dill, sesame seeds, and dates. Even though dates are sweet, they contain plant chemicals that fight tumors. Lifestyle factors. Smoking among women is very low compared to the world average.
In many countries, only 2 to 3% of women smoke. Less tobacco means less cancer. Alcohol use is also very low because of cultural and religious rules. Alcohol is known to increase the risk of several cancers, including liver and throat cancers. Challenges that remain. There are still risk factors. Sugar intake is very high, and so is obesity. Both raise the chance of cancer. Vitamin D deficiency is also common. About 80% of people have low vitamin D, which weakens the immune system. Some people also have genetic changes, called vitamin D receptor polymorphisms, that make it harder to use vitamin D, so supplements may be important. Takeaway. The Middle East shows how lifestyle, diet, and genetics can work together. Fasting, spices, low smoking, and low alcohol protect people. High sugar, obesity, and low vitamin D work against them. Learning from this balance may help people everywhere lower their own cancer risk.